viewers, welcome to another exciting video. Today we will learn the two ways to earn from NFT in 2022. Yes, our topic today is how to earn from NFT in 2022, and we will give you some unique methods which you can apply and earn online. So let's see our first method. Our first method is to play to earn NFT items. So who doesn't love playing games, right? On their mobile phone, on their computers. So if you play NFT games, and we will provide some links in the description as well, you can earn the digital assets which you can sell on e-markets, and thus you can make money while playing games. How exciting is this? Right? You're playing games and earning money at the same time. That's terrific. So now let's move to our second point, that is that you can trade NFTs, right? So it is very simple. So you go to different platforms and you buy NFTs at cheaper rate, at low prices, and then you go to other platforms and you sell the same NFTs for higher prices, right? And please make sure that you trade in NFTs which attracts you, because maybe NFTs doesn't sell right away, so you can hold them for some time and then you can sell at reasonable prices. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can receive the updates. Thank you.